But I never write at home. I always write. I mostly write in the car. Like I have a little dictation thing, and I actually just keep it on for any time I'm driving, because that seems to be for me whenever I'm thinking about it the most.
There's a real merit to turning inward and like asking yourself, what do I want to write today? Like, should I even be writing today, or how do I want to be creative? Because sometimes I want to do something else that I'm not even good at.
Lana, talk about this album musically now. Norman effin' Rockwell.
Yes.
Fill me in.
Well, I made it with Jack Antonoff. I had never worked with him before, but the first day I went down to meet him, he was like, I just want to play you a couple chord progressions and see if you like them. And so we sat down and played a few progressions, and I've said it before, but I actually asked him, am I allowed to have that? Like, can I have ownership over those 6 chords? Because I know I can write something beautiful. And he was like, of course. He's so casual about it. But he's pretty prodigious in his, like, musicianship. So, yeah, I was totally not expecting to be in a writing mode. And as soon as we did that first song, Love Song, we wrote it in an hour. I mentioned to him that I had this song, a long song, like a 7-minute song that I was journaling, and could he record me a cappella just to hear what his mic sounded like. And so he recorded me a cappella, and then started playing piano over it. He just came up with a piano part. And so we had 2 tracks in a couple of hours, and I was like, not only is this going so quickly, but it's really, like, good. Like, because I can pull back objectively and look at stuff. Because some of the stuff I do is, like, trash. And then the other stuff, I'm like, oh, that melody is really cool. So, yeah, we didn't have a direction at first, but after doing a few songs, I was, like, thinking this is kind of going to have a singer-songwriter feel to it. Like, maybe not too much additional production other than some surf elements. I think I thought I was going to be a singer until I was like 17, and then I was getting ready to go to college, and then took a year off, and then I thought, no, like, this is going to be way too hard. I actually had a really amazing student advisor at Fordham, and he let me take half of my classes my senior year, like, at home. So I met this producer, David Kahn, and he helped me make a record, even though I didn't really have anything going on. And so I think once I, like, made the decision and shut the door on, like, the other stuff, like, I'm a big believer in, like, you have to close the door, lock it, throw away the key, and that's when, like, the good stuff moves in. I feel like it's hard. Like, sometimes I'm reaching for one thing, but I'm still all the way in this other place, and it doesn't really work like that.